Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will tell you that if your TikTok shop which you are going to create gets rejected for some reason, it doesn't get verified and your TikTok shop doesn't go live, then what could be the reason and how to fix it. You can see that here an option is showing that the document that you submitted has been rejected. This happens when, as I mentioned in previous lectures, if you are filling out your LTD information inside the information section. I had also explained in previous lectures that if you are filling out your LTD information inside the information section, if you happen to make any spelling mistakes or forget to include certain information, there might be underlying reasons such as errors in the details provided. Therefore, there's no need for you to worry. Instead, you should proactively reach out and address any mistakes you encounter by correcting them. To facilitate this process, it's clearly stated here that you need to register your business. Yes, that is correct. This indicates that within our business operations, specifically in the limited LTD company information section, we have inadvertently made a mistake. To address and resolve this issue, the necessary step you need to take is to click on the edit button located here. When you click on the edit button, it will direct you to the company name section where we have previously filled in our company's information. In this particular area, there is a client who has entered their name incorrectly. So, what should I do in this situation? The appropriate action is to rewrite the name accurately. Therefore, what you need to do is ensure that you write the name exactly as your LTD has been subscribed above, maintaining consistency and correctness throughout the information provided. The information is documented, however, the sections related to the LTD ones were not included. So, I'm unsure about the next steps I should take in this situation. To resolve this issue, I have taken the initiative to rewrite the necessary parts, ensuring all corrections are properly addressed. After making these corrections, the next step for you is to click the next button located here. Following that, you should verify that all your information is complete and accurate. If everything is indeed complete, the final action you need to take is to click next once more from this point. I click the next button once more at this point and subsequently the same items continue to appear on my screen. It is essential to maintain the consistency of your TikTok shop name, phone number, and email address throughout this entire process. We proceed by resubmitting the information from this specific location, and then you need to select the details that we have already completed previously. Following that, the next step is to click the submit button from this page. Essentially, you are repeating the procedure that you carried out earlier, but doing so again from this current location. Inshallah, your verification process will now be successfully completed because there was an initial mistake, but you have managed to correct it effectively. Therefore, there is no need to worry. You have addressed and fixed the mistake, and everything should now be accurate. If you encounter any questions or require further clarification regarding this process, you are welcome to send a message in the comment box provided. Additionally, if there is a specific topic on which you would like to watch a video, you can mention that topic in the comment box as well. I will make an effort to create a high quality video on that subject, and inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Please take care. Furthermore, the link to my WhatsApp group channel is available in the video description. I consistently upload updated videos there, so by joining you will ensure that you continue to receive all the latest and updated video content. Take care, Lafij.